Good morning, everybody. So there was a big interview for Solo on Bazinga. This is the interview right here. I got to re-listen to it, but I'm just gonna talk about the market this morning. The market is, just trading sideways, not strong, not weak, just kind of like sideways action. I think if we go throughout the day, it will be more and more green, but I could be wrong, and we could dip back into the red and go deep red, but we'll see what happens. So the interview for Benzinga. This is the interview right here. Just type in Benzinga in YouTube. It's like the first video link of the day. They talk about Tesla, and the interview is near the end. So like the last hour, you should like just fast forward to around the last hour if you just want to listen to the interview. So yeah, it's interesting. Solo stock is obviously doing pretty good this morning. But what I found interesting in the interview was that the CFO was talking about how there's 50. I could be wrong on this number. She could have said 15, but I'm pretty sure I heard $50 million. They have $50 million on the balance sheet. So that means that if they do have $50 million on the balance sheet, they don't need to raise money for a long time. A long time. Especially if they're rolling out their solo cars. So that's good. I'm hoping the stock price benefits because, I'm a shareholder, so I'm hoping that it goes up. Not only because I'm a shareholder, because I want them to have the ability to rate in the future when, they announce the new manufacturing facility, which they say they're going to have an announcement for the finalists in the next couple weeks. I'm hoping that, their stock price goes up, because I think they're going to need to raise more money in order to build that production facility. But at the moment, they do have enough current cash to last at least a couple years while they sell their solo cars for a profit. And then once, down the road, once the U.S. production facility starts, I think the stock price should be worth a lot more, But then again, you can also say the stock market crash could happen. I don't know what's going to happen at the end of the day. It could drop, but then that would just create opportunities. I mean, I say in the low $3 would be a buying opportunity if the stock price drops down there again. Right now it's not bad, but I would say in the low $3, but please don't take this as investment advice. Please do your own research. Be aware that there's always risk investing into the stock market. I'm holding on to my stock. I'm a bull, and if it drops down into the low $3, my plan is to buy more call options. Will it happen? I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't know what the market's gonna do. They're probably going to treat this as a trading stock for now. I think, if it pops up high, people are going to take profits, hope the stock price drops back down, and just trade it consistently. I'm a bull. I'm not trading it. I'm just going to hold on to it and hope that, management delivers on the execution and the stock price gets rewarded for it. I might sell my options and trade options, but I won't sell and trade my stocks. I haven't yet, so I don't plan to in the near future. And if somehow the stock price drops back down to 2 something, I'm definitely going to be adding on to my position. So we'll see what happens in the future, but I'm very excited for this company, and we'll see what happens. So Tesla this morning, like I kind of I figured that this could happen. I thought it was going to keep going up, but hey, I figured that it could drop back down in the morning, and it did, and it's kind of dragging down the entire market with it, so we'll see where this goes. Neo this morning is kind of weak, just weak sauce, only trading sideways. Automotive this morning is down 9 cents, so that's a kind of a weak sign moving forward. Arrow is up 3 cents this morning. Blink is doing very good this morning, up 41 cents, 5.96%. Workhorse is up 2% this morning, looking very strong. Spartan Energy Acquisition Corp. I think this company is going to have a hard time getting the stock price to move up. Why? Because Elon Musk and Fisker CEO don't get along, and the tension between the two is going to keep Wall Street and big money from pumping SPAQ. I don't think retail investors have any say in where this where the stock price goes. It's the Wall Street guys and big money that determines ultimately at the end of the day where Spartan Energy Acquisition Corps go in stock price. So we'll see though, but I'm more on the bearish side, but we'll see. I mean, I think this is probably going to trade sideways, possibly down to like the low $12, but if it goes to $12, I might make a small position as a gamble, but that's about it. I'm not really going to touch the stock. I'll talk about it, but I'm personally not going to trade it or buy it or do whatever. That's just my plan moving forward, not financial advice in any way for anybody. If you want to buy it, go ahead. That's your choice. Nikola Corporation down 59 cents, 1.6%. Plug Power is down 16 cents, 1.79%. AMD this morning is down slightly, probably because the market was down slightly. AMD kind of trades with the market. Let's see if it can make its way back. Option traders are probably panicking a little bit. I think, maybe. I don't know at the end of the day. It might push past 62 by the end of the day because of Intel's earnings report. But Intel will probably determine AMD stock. If Intel... Actually, you know what? If Intel does bad, AMD probably do well. Like, if Intel said, oh, we're getting our server market share stolen from AMD... we're seeing a reduce in server market share. AMD stock is gonna boop right up. If we see if they say we see strong laptop sales, I think AMD stock's gonna go up because AMD is also in the laptop market. So if Intel has good laptop sale, which I'm assuming they will, because of the pandemic, people are forced to buy computers, stay at home, and work on the stuff. So my assumption is a lot of people are going out buying AMD products too, buying AMD laptops, and AMD is going to see a significant amount of sales in the laptop area, and that is probably going to boost the stock price after earnings. But I could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part. Nvidia is up this morning, which is probably the reason why AMD stock is getting pushed up a little bit right now, but we'll see if that can continue. Intel is also up, so I'm assuming AMD is going to follow very shortly here. Aurora, 1094. Wow, I feel bad, I guess, a little bit. I really thought that me selling could make rich people push the stock price up, because like, oh, Kevin's gone, let's push the stock price up. But nope, that's not what's happening, and it's going down even further. Oh well, that's life. I was hoping it could do the opposite, because I was hoping, I don't know. To me, the chart just looks bearish, so I'm like, why am I bang holding this? I'm just gonna get rid of it and gamble that the stock price is going down, and that's what's happening right now. Will it continue to go down? I don't know. I don't know what big money is gonna do. The big money ultimately determines where the stock price goes. But if Canopy stock pops to the upside in a massive way, I think Aurora is gonna be dragged along for the ride. Afria is up a penny. Afria stocks are either gonna plummet or skyrocket and bring the rest of the market with it after earnings. We will see. Kron this morning is down 6 cents. Tilray is down 8 cents. Not too much to say about that. Beyond Meat this morning is up 8 cents, 80 cents. Sorry. Not looks a little weak, but you know that's just me. Very Good Butchers this morning is up a penny. I think Very Good Butchers could touch $1.30. Could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part. If it does, I'm prepared to buy more because I really believe in this company. We'll see what happens. Modern Meat trading sideways. I don't really have too much to say about this company. There's very little information. I can't even try the product if I want it. I can't even buy Very Good Butchers products if I want it. I ordered my product like 3 weeks ago. I still haven't got my notice of shipping order. I mean, they're probably like so busy. They're probably like selling everything they make right now simply because they don't make very much. They really need a new production facility, but that takes time, and unfortunately, that's the reality of it. I'm hoping that they announce some kind of U.S. production facility that doesn't require construction, and they can immediately start operations in that U.S. facilities. If that happens, I think the stock price will skyrocket in a good way, but we'll see what happens with that U.S. operation. I do hope it's in Nevada. I hope they open up a production facility in Nevada. It would make me very happy, but we will see. Neo Lithium Corporation up 59 cents. Not too much to say about that. The market today is slightly red. Again, I really don't have too much to say about that. Well, I said that it could dip into red, but would dip into deep red. Only time will tell. High Tide this morning, just disclosure, I did make a position High Tide. It's up. It's not doing too much. It's neutral. Expect a video over the weekend for it. Curaleaf this morning is up 31 cents. Harvest Health is just trading sideways, and MedMen is probably also trading sideways. There's Liberal Health Science. They are up a penny this morning. Cura is... I already talked about Cura. True is up a penny. GTI is up a penny. Cresco Labs is up 11 cents. Yeah, not too much to say about that. Oh yeah, that's right. The Tesla nickel thing. I still got a lot of research on the nickel thing. I'm gonna probably make a weekend video out of it. I was just so tired last night after making the video that I just like, I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm just too tired, but it looks like Tesla's pushing down, and that's probably gonna cause Solo to push down. No, whoa, Solo, what is going on? Why are you not pushing down with Tesla? Why are you pushing up, Solo? Why push down so I can buy more stock? Just kidding. I don't care where the stock goes. If it goes up, that's good because I'm a shareholder. If it goes down, it just creates an opportunity. That's how I look at it. I have to think this is in the long-term perspective. And if it drops down low enough, I have to buy more. It's just, if I truly believe in the company and it drops down to like 2 something, I just have to buy more. There's just no logic behind why I shouldn't buy more. But we'll see what happens. We'll see where the market takes it. Yeah. Anyways, not too much to say about this morning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.